Guys, this box is so heavy. I feel like I'm gonna pass out if I don't put it down. But as you have seen by the title, the thumbnail, the everything, I'm doing a big Shein haul. I feel like I haven't done a Shein haul in so long. Hopefully the quality of the video is a bit better as well. I did get a new camera because a lot of you guys were saying how it was blurry for you and stuff like that, because I did in fact break my big camera. It should be okay, like when I'm stood here, I mean it still might take a minute to adjust, but it shouldn't be blurry. Fingers crossed. Don't forget to use my discount code. I think it's Q15 Chyna. Get yourself 15% off, save some coins, and let's get into the haul. You know what? Let's just dive straight in and see what we can find. I will just be pairing most of the pieces because I've got a lot of t-shirts just with some joggers, so I'm just gonna quickly put them on. I got this top. I thought this was really cute. I think I've seen, is it Mars the label? I don't know. And I thought it was really cool. My vision is not really with joggers. I'm thinking with like cargos and chunky trainers to kind of make it really cool. I think it's really nice, and I like that it dips into like a V up here. I think that's really flattering. Sorry, I'm looking in the mirror by the way, if you're wondering where I'm looking. I like as well that it's correlated up here and here and here, so it's not just it's down here and nowhere else. It's a really nice fit. I grabbed the smallest size as always, and it's not see-through, so you wouldn't have to wear anything under. But yeah, I'm definitely thinking like cargos is the vibe for this, like make it really cool. A little comment though, you will have to air this out because it has got that like knit smell. You know when you get new knitwear, sometimes it kind of smells weird. These tops are so in. Anything with this print at the moment is so in. I'm absolutely so here for it. I love the colours together. The blue and the yellow looks really good together. This is the back, by the way, in case you was wondering, just plain, but I like that. I think these prints, because obviously it's meant to be like a girl's body with boobies, and if you don't have much going on there, I feel like it's really flattering. It's kind of giving the illusion that I've got a bit more there than I actually do. But this geometric print is just so cute. And the fit of it is like Skims. It kind of feels like Skims vibes anyway, like it's really thick, not see-through, super soft, not itchy, anything like that. Just because it's like the long sleeve, and then it's like kind of cropped, but it's not. So I could pull it long. So this is my trousers at my waist. That's it, kind of full length. It still looks acceptable if you kind of have it a bit messy, do you know what I mean? And I still really like the fit of it. As I said, it's really soft and super comfortable. Again, thinking cargos. Most of these tops in here are kind of cargos vibe. I have actually styled this top in a recent TikTok, if you want to follow my TikTok, just Chyna solder. I think this is the same top in a different colour. Yeah, it is. I already knew I'd be so obsessed with this. That's why I grabbed it in a different colour. Black and white is obviously more wearable. I also just thought that yellow and blue one would look really nice with some like combat boots, a little skirt, glasses for like a ravey festival season as well. I think that would be so cute. Same with this, to be honest. Same exact comments. Feels so lovely. I'm so happy with this. Only thing is, tiniest bit see-through, but I think that's just because I've got lots of bright lights on me. I'm not really embarrassed, like I don't wear bras ever. I just don't care. Oh wow, okay, so I got this little top here, and on the picture she had little red sleeves, which I didn't really take notice of. I just thought they were a decoration, you know, accessory if you will. It actually comes with it. That's a bonus, to be honest, because I think that's really cute. So this is the top without sleeves. Of course I will show it with sleeves. The reason I actually got this because it really reminded me of a vintage, I think it was Dior top I saw. The Dior top didn't have diamantes. This says call me, but with like the red text, and the fit of it just really reminded me of the Dior one, and I wanted it, but I couldn't find the vintage one anywhere. Again, the quality is really nice, that kind of buttery soft material. It is a crop, but it's more of a comfortable crop, so if you're not too sure on this part of your body, which of course you should be insecure anyway, but I personally like this type of crop where it's just a bit of belly button. Guys, I actually do have a fake belly button ring. I got this on Shein actually. Oh, funny that. Because everyone always tells me that I see a belly button piercing. I'll just quickly show you in case you were ever wondering. It clamps on, so that's what it would look like if you had an actual one. But it's got this little clamp, so you just hook that bit up your belly button hole. I guess if you have an innie, and then just clamp it. And it's on. It's a really good way to see if you like a belly button piercing. This isn't part of the haul, but I thought I'd just tell you because I've told everyone on TikTok, but I haven't told you guys. Plus, I'm too scared to get it done, so this is a great little temporary thing. They actually have loads of like fake piercing stuff on Shein. Also, the diamantes feel really stuck on. Like, they feel really nice. Kind of wish it had thumb holes, I'll be honest. Love a thumb hole. I just find it so cute. You can just cut one yourself, to be honest. So that's with the red sleeve. I think that is so cute. Again, black skirt, combat boot, ravey scene. You can also reuse this for different outfits as well. Let me just come up close so you can kind of see the top a little bit more. I think I'm just going to go through all the tops first. I hope that's okay. Sorry, it's a bit boring. I just keep going through the same category just because I don't have to keep taking on and off the joggers, you know what I mean? I love getting tops in different colours, and this is a top. I have this in beige from Shein already. You might have to put that top on before you do your makeup and stuff because just got makeup all over that. As I said, I have this in beige already and I was super happy with the fit. I've wanted a top like this for so long because I saw they were trendy a while ago, but I just could tell they weren't going to fit me, which they didn't when I tried other brands. But this Shein one comes in petite, which is extra small I got, and it fits amazing. I literally love it, although I want the white, but the white doesn't come in petite, which is so annoying. This is like knit rib with kind of like a curved hem. But what I did when I wore my beige one, I wore like them red sleeves but like knitted ones, same material. Had it as like a 3-piece top just because I feel like this is like a lot of skin out for me. So I just put some same material knit little arm warmers like that on and really completed the look. Wow, I'm so obsessed with this colour. I actually saw Emily Ball wear this on TikTok or her YouTube, or one of the two, and she looks unreal. And because obviously we both got brown hair, I was like, that actually looks quite cute. I've just popped on with grey joggers. This is how I'd wear it, to be honest. Grey joggers, Uggs, that type of vibe. If you have pink Uggs like this, I've seen so many people have that. That would look so unreal as well. If you don't know already, these are the Skims dupes from Shein. Shein have literally, I think, about 30 colours of these. I've got the black, I've got the grey, I've got the brown. I've got so many. I've got some more in here. And I actually showed these in one of my Shein hauls before, and I said that I felt like it was a bit too baggy for me. That's just because I haven't got much chest. I feel like if you've got a smaller chest, you do need to kind of wear a bra with it if you want it like tight fitting. Like, it fits me fine, you see, it's just got a bit of bag, but if you have a bra on it, obviously it will fill it out a bit. But even without a bra, I'm super happy with the fit of this. I love it. They're not see-through, unreal. Me being me, I had to get the beige. I love this beige so much. As I've said a million times, I'm gonna stop going on about it now. I would wear this with cargos. Even with joggers, these tops are just so flattering, so nice, amazing quality. Guys, if you want to spend money on Skims, you do that. But if you want to save coin, I promise you there is no better Shein dupe out there for these t-shirts anyway. They speak for themselves, and as I said, they have so many colours. I don't know which one's my favourite colour now. I'm really stuck. Now I can't remember if this is the same. I don't think it is. No, so this is not. This is the Shein's basic. So this is the Shein Bay. On Shein they got like different names for different parts. I don't know, they're all Shein though. This is just the basic tees. It's not meant to be the same material, although they are super similar. So I'm going to test this one out because I've never tried this style before. Unreal, literally unreal. The only difference I think there is, it's not that super shiny material, because if you've tried that material before, like that super buttery soft material, it's kind of like shiny. It's not shiny, I don't know how to explain it, whereas this is more like normal t-shirt, but it's still super soft, not see-through. It's same exact fit. I just really wanted this blue colour. I thought that would be really cute. And as I said, just chilling in your joggers, these are really nice. Definitely my next haul. I think I'm just gonna get like almost all the colours. Okay, so I saw this top on Shein. I thought this would be really cute, but I don't think this is going to fit me. I feel like this is going to be a little bit big. As suspected, it's not as... Sorry guys, I'm back. Just needed a wee break. What was I saying about this? Yes, just slightly too big. I mean, it fits. I could absolutely wear it, but I just... As I said, I don't have much going on here. Does it flatter them? Slightly. It does slightly flatter them. Makes it look like something's there, but I just wish it was tighter. Do you know what I mean? But the colour's really cute. It is like a kind of like sporty material. I can't explain it. It's very different. It's got like mini holes in it. Ah, this is so cute. I forget what I get sometimes, so it's like a really nice surprise. Yeah, this is just as cute as I imagined. I'll just come up close, real close, so you can see. So it's like a furry material. Maybe I would. I don't know. I was thinking fluffy arm sleeves. I know I said I'm going to say it once more, but I was thinking this with some like pattern cargos. I think like the texture and then the pattern would look really good together. I'm thinking like khaki camo maybe. That could be really cute. Super soft, not see-through, and it's not itchy. As I said, it's like a fluffy material, so it's actually like 3D, if that makes sense. Not itchy in the slightest. Like even when I'm doing that, that's like one of my tests, if that's itching me here, because I get really sensitive. Does anyone else get that? You know what that really reminds me of? Once when I was younger, I had this sequin t-shirt. I mean, I'm asking for it there, and it literally cuts up all here. I don't know if that's what made it sensitive, because that literally cuts my arms. Like, I was bleeding. So I'm really sensitive there. I think it fits really nice. I did get the smaller size. I'd possibly wear a bra just to fill out this little flappy bit here, but it's not noticeable at all. I absolutely love this. I was about to rate it, but I haven't rated anything, have I? I'm obsessed with this top. Isn't that so cute? Imagine with a little mini skirt. That would look so unreal. With some heels. Wow, even with a pair of jeans, this would look cute. Starting off with my points I want to point out. Slightly see-through. Again, I don't know if that's because of the lights, but it kind of is like a sheer-ish material. So I think that's how it's meant to be. The arms are ever so slightly tight. I could definitely cope with it. It's completely fine. I don't think I'd want it to fit any looser, to be honest. I do want it to be quite tight fitting. I think if you had some body glow here would be really, really lovely, because obviously you've got the shoulder out. I love this little overhang, because when you're like that, if you can see my hand, I don't know, I can't see from here. The cut of it's so flattering. Anything that goes inwards will really flatter your body, so look out for that on tops. And then the back, the way it's curved like that, it's really cute. It's plain at the back. And of course the main show, this here. I really, really love that detail. I haven't got a top like this. Just gonna come up close so you can kind of see the material. Got like ruffling on it. It's really, really beautiful. I really like this. I didn't think I'd like this as much as I do, but I think it's really, really beautiful, as I've already said. I think we've got one last top, and then I've got a bodysuit which I'll pop on with jeans I wanted to pair them with. I have mixed opinions about this top. I love the way it looks. I think it's super flattering on the chest. It feels nice quality. It's not see-through. It's really soft. Again, that buttery soft material. These gems look like they're stuck on really, really well. It's just a different material and fit to what I thought. It fits lovely, like I wouldn't fault it at all. It's that nice crop where a bit of your belly is out. But if you've ever tried the brand, I think it's Poster Girl, or anything that comes super, super tiny and then stretches out a lot, I was hoping it was that material, so it would literally scoop onto me. But don't get me wrong, it fits really nice. It's sitting well. It doesn't feel like it's going to fall down at all. I was thinking this would be really nice for like ravey outfits, festival outfits. You can either wear it for drinks with a pair of jeans. I think that would look really, really nice with some black heels, black bag. And I love this cutout. It may be a bit much for some, but I really like the slight under boob. These also don't feel like they're going to tear. It kind of looks like they slightly would. They feel very secure. I'm really happy with this top. Like, so far there hasn't been anything in this haul that I would return. Like, I'm happy with absolutely everything. So let's get on to some jeans. I'm just going to quickly show you these. I thought these were really, really cool. I don't actually own a black pair of jeans. Every time I get a pair, I just don't like them enough to keep them. So I'm hoping I keep these. I thought that print was really, really cool. That's the bottom. Let's try them on. Okay, let's discuss. So they are majority a skinny jean, I would say, but just towards the bottom they do loosen up a bit. Not quite flare though. So is it a straight leg? I'm not really sure. I would like them to sit a little bit tighter on the waist, but I wouldn't exchange them over it. They're just slightly too long. As you can see, there's some excess material. I did want to wear these with some heels. I thought that would look really, really nice. I love the print on them. I think that's really different and cool, and the rips on them as well. If I just point you down so you can kind of see. That might be an awful angle, but it's just for the minute, just so you can see. Not the best fit down there. I guess you could cut them because the bottom is like a cut, like with a pair of scissors. So maybe I could do that. I think that would work. Go straight off the bat like this. No, I feel like I've definitely messed up the angle now. I feel like I had it at a good angle. Now I've ruined it. Anyway, let's try the bodysuit. Guys, this whole time I've been saying it's bodysuit. It's not even a bodysuit. It's just like a long top. This really gives me like Kylie Jenner vibes. You could actually wear this top a few ways. So you can obviously have it like this. You could have it full up like that. You would just have to play around with it a little bit. So like that, semi off the shoulder, just kind of baggy, or of course like that. Like, you can really move it about. It is ruched on the sides. Is it the best quality? It feels really soft, but I think it is just a bit see-through, and it's a bit ill-fitting. I don't really like the fit of it. I think the vision's there. I feel like it could be quite cute, maybe with my hair up. I just popped on the top from earlier. I got this like Y2K kind of 2000 style mini skirt. It is longer than I thought. I thought it was going to be literally like, oh, like that's like a strip of material, which I wouldn't have actually minded, because the reason I got this was for my Bratz videos. So if you don't know already, or you've never thought it yourself, people always compare me to a Bratz doll. I don't know if it's the makeup, I don't know if it's the lips, I don't know what it is. So people always compare me to one. So I done a video on TikTok of dressing like a Bratz doll and everyone was obsessed. So I want to start doing more Bratz videos, but I want to grab some more bits for it so it's like even better. And I thought this skirt would be absolutely perfect for it, which I do think it is. I think with that like ruffle top I had on earlier, that would look really, really cool. Obviously with some like Y2K glasses. The fit of this is perfect, fits me so, so well. Amazing jean material. It's kind of got the vintage vibe with the wash it's got on here. Also got some pockets on the back. Great for my Bratz videos, but I'd wear it myself. Anyways, while we was talking about my Bratz videos, I thought I'd quickly show these. I am a stan for Shein shoes. I absolutely love their shoes, and when I saw these, I was like, that is perfect. Whenever I go to make my Bratz outfits, I'm like, there's just a pair of shoes missing. I could just go with black boots, but I feel like it's not the boot I'm looking for the certain outfits. And these screamed Bratz to me. These thick platform kind of like mules. Would I wear these normally? No, they're not my style at all. But for my Bratz videos, let me know if they're giving you Bratz vibes, because definitely are. You know what? These are so comfortable. I'm gonna pop them on. If you would wear these and they're your vibe, absolutely get them off here. I'm keeping my socks on just because. But you know what? They are so comfortable to wear. We're gonna have this awful angle again, I'm sorry. But just, I know we're a bit crooked, but we need to just to show the shoes. I think they're so cute. They keep slipping off because I'm wearing socks. I mean, even in the summer, you might catch me in them. You know what? I feel like it's not getting the full effect if I don't show you it. There we go. So that's what it's like without. I think they're super cute, to be honest. I probably would wear them in the summer, you know. Honestly, I was over the moon when I saw that Shein sold those. Another pair of jeans, another love or hate. I think I'm gonna love these. I had to untie these to get them on because I was really struggling. Then I realized there was a zip on the side. It's because it's got like no front button or anything. But if you do end up getting these, oh look, I've messed it up. Oh well, if you do end up getting these, just know there's a zip on the side. You know what? I think these are so cool. I'm really in my like Y2K, I don't want to say era because I hate that word. It makes me, what? Every time I hear someone say that, but I am. I don't know what the other word is. Like my vibe at the moment is just like Y2K vibe. I love these. They fit me so good. As soon as I have shoes on, they'll fit me like a dream. So lengthwise, if you're short like me, I can't remember if these were in the petite section or not. I just grabbed the smallest size. I like the vintage wash on them. But my favourite part that really drew me in was this. I don't know why. I just thought that was really cool. Oh, that's the back. I always forget to show the back, and then everyone comments, they're like, show me the back. I actually think it looks really nice with this top because it's kind of like the same-ish colours. I don't know if these are meant to be a dupe of Jaded, but they really reminded me of Jaded London. I think you could wear some like boots with these. That would look really cool. Some little ankle boots. You know, they're different. There's something I don't have in my wardrobe already, and I feel like that's what I need to start picking up, stuff that I don't already have. But on to our last item, and it's another pair of jeans because I love Shein's denim. Shein's denim is so, so good. This is a really stretchy denim. It's so weird because that doesn't look right, do you know what I mean? I don't know what my normal jeans look like. Do they look like that? I don't know. These fit really nice on the waist. A little bit open here. That's fine. They are slightly too long. These did come in waist and leg length. I just chose the smallest. Would you say they're a flared leg? Slightly. They go skinny and then out. I really liked that it had this kind of stitching. You know what's down the side of a jean? At the front. I thought that was really nice and different. Kind of high-waisted, just a little bit on my belly button. The one thing I don't like though, no pockets at the back. It gives jegging vibes and I don't like jeggings. That's what kind of reminds me of, so I probably won't keep these. That's the end of my Shein haul. Please let me know if you want more because I can absolutely do that. I love Shein hauls. Let me know if you like them more talky and trying on at the same time, as opposed to me to just sitting down. Let me know on the setup, let me know on the lights, the camera. Don't forget to use the discount code Q15 Chyna. I'll leave all the links below and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.